Ugh, it's so rainy outside. I'm so bored.
Oh my god, look! It's Candyland.
Ow!
We should play.
Put your players at the start of the game.
Do you guys feel weird? I feel kind of weird.
I'm kind of dizzy. Wait, where are we?
I think we teleported into the game.
What? How do we get out of here?
I think we have to go through the candy cane forest.
Okay, let's
That's
go.
this way.
We finally made it to the Candy Cane Forest.
Hey guys, welcome to the Candy Cane Forest. This day is going to be on Minty Monday.
Oh, I get it. It's Minty Monday.
Oh, that's why we're wearing red and white.
So where do we go next?
You guys have to go over to the Land of Dreams next. Here for your travels.
We finally made it to the Land of Dreams.
Where's Josh? You know, I'm getting pretty tired.
Me too.
What day is it?
What day is it, you ask? It's Tuesday!
Oh, guys. Welcome to the Land of Dreams. You can sleep forever here.
Oh, that makes so much more sense since it's Tuesday.
We wear PJs.
Where do we go next?
Oh, the next stop is Smarty Lane.
We made it to Smarties Land. Hey, welcome to Smarties Land. We have a lot of assortments of books here. You know, this one right here? It's my favorite. It's Page Turner. It's Smarties Day, where you dress up as your most studious self.
Oh! According to my calculations, our next location is directly tangent from where we are now.
Yeah, that's right. Your next location is Skittles Land.
According to my calculations, we are in a new land.
Whoa.
Welcome to Skittles Land. This is the second to last stop of your adventure.
Oh, so freshmen are red,
Sophomores are purple.
Juniors are green!
seniors are blue.
Your last stop is Scots Land.
Yes!
Do you guys feel weird? I feel weird.
Yeah, I feel kind of funny. I think we made it to the end of Candyland.
Yeah, we did.
Josh! Josh!
Yeah. Guys, I think we made it back in the real world.
And we're wearing Scots gear.
So yeah, it must be Friday.
Guys, that was such a fun, spirited week.
Let's go home.
Go!